XRP, one of the world's largest tokens by market cap, has faced a dramatic price drop recently. This drop comes surprisingly after a landmark victory by Ripple Labs against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. But why? A prevailing bearish sentiment in the crypto market is to blame. Even tokens with solid fundamentals like XRP aren't spared. Many traders, rather than adopting a buy and hold approach, are cashing in on price movements. Data reveals that XRP, which soared to a yearly high of 83 cents on July 20, has plummeted to 50 cents recently, erasing all its gains. Back in 2020, the SEC accused Ripple of selling unregistered securities, creating tension and speculation about XRP's status. However, in a turn of events in July 2023, a U.S. judge determined that XRP tokens did not classify as investment contracts, favoring Ripple. This was a major case in the crypto world, making Ripple's victory all the more significant. Stay updated on this and more at CoinDesk.com. Please subscribe and like.